In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your text here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to rotate the text, let's say on your headers, here's how you can do it in the Sheets app. So what I'm going to do first is to demonstrate it on the first cell right here. If I wanted to format this or rotate this text in a 45-degree angle, what I'm going to do is to select that cell, then go to the format tool at the top. There we go. And here are our format options. One of these options would be our rotate option right here. If we select that, right now it says that there's nothing applied on that cell. But again, we have these options. We have tilt up, tilt down, stack vertically, rotate up, rotate down, and even enter a custom angle. So if I wanted to tilt this text right here into a 45-degree angle, and that's going to be my tilt up option, if I tap on it, there you go. It's automatically applied to that cell. If I wanted to apply it with the rest of my headers, I'm just going to select that. There you go. While my format option is still open, then I'm going to go back to that rotate option. There we go. Select tilt up. And there you have it. So we've successfully rotated our text in a 45-degree angle using our Sheets app. Now, what if we wanted to use another rotation? Then we can again just select those cells, go back to your rotation option. We can stack it vertically as well. That is what it's going to look like. Now, if you don't like that, we can have it rotate up. Again, that is what it's going to look like. And if you want to remove the rotation for your text or your cells, just go back to that option and select none at the top. And there you have it. Well, I'm going to go back to my 45-degree angle, and that is how you can rotate your text here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you're interested in learning more on how to use the Sheets app, I have a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner. Also, if you need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.